Welcome to the Drexel University Library's EndNote tutorial. In this chapter, I'll demonstrate how to use EndNote in conjunction with Word. I currently have Word open and I have EndNote open in the background. I'm going to pretend I'm writing a paper. And for this example, we'll say we're paraphrasing. So we're using somebody's idea, but not their exact language. Now, if I was going to cite this, I would simply click into EndNote. I would select the particular author that I do want to cite, and then click back into Word. While here, there is an EndNote tab, and I'll say Insert Citation. I want to insert my selected citation, and at this point, you'll see that appear as well as an item appear in the bibliography. If you notice that the style looks different than what you're expecting, there is a style toolbar here towards the top middle of the screen where you can change between APA 6 and potentially another style that's available. Now, what if we're doing a direct quotation? In cases where you would be using a direct quotation, making sure to use the author's words verbatim, that's going to be a little different. So we'll still say Insert Citation after selecting the appropriate author. I'll choose this item here, go back to Word, and insert this citation. But I'm going to do something just a little different here. If you click on this item, we can then edit the citation. This is where you can make sure to note the page number. So here, for where we're setting path, I'll say this is on page 111. By the way, you can also change the display to exclude the author, year, etc. But this looks good. We'll leave this in default. I'll say OK. And you'll see that now the proper APA-related citation material will be added. What's great about this is if we change styles and we wouldn't need that P dot information or the page number, if we change that other style, EndNote's smart enough to remove that information for us. Also, you might be looking at the bibliography and saying, oh, this should be double-spaced. No problem. I've selected that. And there is a little Configure Bibliography tool that's here in your toolbar. I'll click that. I'll go to Layout. And this is where I can change the line spacing. So I'll go to double. I could also change the hanging indent here as well. But I'll say OK. And here's where we'll make that adjustment. This concludes this tutorial chapter.